Your digital life. Luxury is no longer just about materials. It's about intelligence, sustainability, and seamless experience. These innovations are setting new expectations for the entire industry. The luxury EV is now a rolling tech lounge, a personal assistant, and a connected hub. The future of driving is smarter, greener, and more comfortable than ever. This is the new definition of automotive luxury, and it's only accelerating. The pace of innovation isn't slowing, so what's next for luxury EVs? Solid-state batteries are on the horizon, promising lighter, safer cars with 600-plus mile ranges. Level 3 and 4 autonomy will turn car interiors into mobile living spaces or offices. Eco-friendly materials will go further, with lab-grown leathers and sustainable woods. Cars will become truly carbon neutral, from manufacturing to recycling. 5G and 6G networks will supercharge connectivity, enabling cloud gaming and high-res video calls on the go. More luxury brands, Bentley, Aston Martin, are joining the electric revolution, bringing new design philosophies. Vehicle-to-grid tech will let your car power your home or sell energy back to the grid. Ownership models will evolve. Subscriptions and on-demand fleets will offer ultimate flexibility. The car will be an integrated part of your digital and energy ecosystem. The definition of luxury will keep evolving, driven by tech, sustainability, and experience. The competition will be fierce, pushing innovation even faster. The road ahead is electric, intelligent, and more luxurious than ever. The future isn't just about cars, it's about the entire experience, and it's coming sooner than you think. The luxury electric cars of 2025 are redefining what's possible. From the serene EQS to the blistering Lucid Air Sapphire, you no longer have to choose between comfort, performance, and sustainability. Technology and luxury are now inseparable. These innovations will shape the future of all cars, not just the flagships. The electric, intelligent, and sustainable future is here, and it's thrilling. Which of these models is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe for more on the future of luxury driving. Thanks for watching.